Unfortunately, my car has a check engine light on, and since OBD2 scanners don't work on older cars, I'm gonna use this paper clip instead to find out exactly what's wrong with it and to fix it. It's a trick mechanics all over the world use, but it gets less coverage than the Sound of Freedom. So after unfolding the paper clip all the way, I stuck one end into the middle of the OBD1 port and the other one into the far end until it looked something like this. And at this point, the check engine light started flashing, so I began counting 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it's gonna continue blinking until the paperclip is removed. Now with that information, I know the code is 27, so all I need to do is type in Toyota DTC into Google, and it's gonna show me exactly what the problem is. There's several forms online, but basically it's the upstream O2 sensor that's bad, and since I ran the test before shooting the video, I picked up a new one from AutoZone, and I'm gonna install it and reset the check engine light. Luckily, it's super easy to get to and replace, because not only does it cause the car to fail the smog test, but it also causes the car to run rich, which is why when I stick my finger in the tailpipe, it comes out black. Only God knows why the paperclip trick is kept a secret, but one thing's for sure, a bad O2 sensor will cause the car to waste more gas. And even though the original doesn't look exactly like the new one, it's alright because all it needs is a back plate to be installed. So after twisting it on and slapping on the gasket, I slid it inside and bolted it down with the two 12mm nuts. The final step though was the most important, because that's how to reset the check engine light. So after disconnecting the ground cable, the black cable, the cable with the minus sign on it, I let it sit for at least 30 seconds. And once the 30 seconds were up, I tightened it back on and removed the paperclip to finish the job. By now though, the light should have disappeared, which it has. So the paperclip trick worked like a charm, and it saved me a lot of money.